Hello and welcome back to Serious About Salvage and another video on the channel. Now today's video is going to be on the big Jeep that we've got, the Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit. And I want to get the rest of the front end off this, basically the bumper. And first of all, make sure nothing else is damaged behind, any other parts we need, any bits of plastic trims, clips and whatnot. But I also want to trial fit the wing that I've got, and I want to fit the headlight as well and make sure that all fits nice, because the wing was a bit misshaped. I think I've straightened it, but I don't want to send it off to paint until we know for definite that it's the right shape, because the last thing I want to do is be trying to bend and manipulate a wing once I've had it painted, because if it cracks I will be upset. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So as always, if you enjoy these videos, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget we've got a giveaway at 20,000 subscribers, which isn't far away. So to be in with a chance to win that super capacitor jump pack, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And when we get to that point, I'll tell you how we're going to do it. So anyway, we'll spin round, have a quick look at the Jeep, and then start pulling parts off. So right, yes, this is what we're going to be doing today. Just before we dive into that, I had a parcel come this morning, which is supposed to be the window for the Kia. And that's what we've got. Got a bag full of broken glass. It's not a surprise. This was delivered, they attempted to deliver it yesterday, Hermes. It's got no tape on it saying it's fragile, so they've been launching it around the back of the van for a couple of days. So I've asked them to send me another one out, see what they say, or at least a full refund. It's not my fault, it's bloody broke. But that delays the Kia a bit more. Anyway, that's not about this video. This video is on the Jeep. So let's just pop this bonnet. I want to get this bumper off. Like I said, just to have a look behind it and make sure we're not missing anything right now, so I can get stuff ordered, parts ordered. I know there's a few bits we do need, like a parking sensor and a spotlight. And I want to fit that headlight as well, don't I? So let's grab that. I managed to get this off eBay. These headlights have the washer jets built into them, which is why they're such a big unit. I think it was £650 this headlight, so not cheap at all. But the washer jet is behind there. See it there, washer jet. So it'd be nice to get that fitted today and test the lights out. And yeah, hopefully we don't come across any more problems, any more broken bits and pieces, and it should be a pretty straightforward repair from here on. Fingers crossed, because you know there's going to be a lot of stuff behind there, a lot of stuff. So I'm sure there's going to be something we're missing and we need. So I'll get you on a stand, and I think we'll just get the bumper off, and then we'll have a talk about what we find behind there. Alrighty then, we've got the bumper stripped completely, and yes, there is a lot of fixings and little clips and tabs in there. Pretty complicated bumper. So nothing too much to worry about. There is a few bits that I want to change, but I was just comparing these two bumpers and they are identical, so I'm happy with them too. And also the lower two pieces, this one and the old one there, they're identical, so that's good. In terms of trims, all the top pieces have survived, that's perfectly fine. The centre grille at the bottom, most of the bottom bits. This is the one with a bit of the bend in it, so I'm going to get a replacement for that. That one's okay, and I'm going to get a replacement for this as well. These two little brackets are on the bottom of the bottom section of bumper. That one's got a hole ripped in it, so one of them. And I think I'm going to go ahead and get 2 new spotlights. So I don't really, it's a bit manky that, and I need one anyway. So I'm probably going to get 2 spotlights, I think. And then we have, this is what holds the splash guard to the bumper in the wheel arch. This is for the driver's side. The passenger side, where has that gone? I know it was around, but it might have been knackered. Let's see if it's down here. There it is, let's have a look at it. It's still attached to the bumper, but it looks fine. That's okay. Alright, so I don't need that. We must remember to order rear spot. Well, that's good, that's come out. I can get the part number. I think I noticed the other day on this side, yeah, there's a fracture mark on that trim there. One there and one there. So I might see if they're available, get one of them. And then finally we need to look at if this bottom bit of trim is separate. Otherwise that's getting repaired, because I'm not replacing the whole bumper for that. So that's it, isn't it, I think? We've still got the uncertainty with this. The parts are adding up, aren't they, now, for this car? There's quite a few bits and pieces we need to get. It is what it is. I'll make a list and I'll get them all ordered up, and I'm going to fire off the 2 bumper skins to the paint shop, and we just need to make a decision with this wing, because it does really want painting, but I'd rather, like I said, make sure it fits okay before. So what I'm going to do for a minute, off camera, I'm just going to offer this up, see how it looks, and then have a tidy up, and then I'll come back to you and we'll finish off the video, because there's nothing else we can do really. We need some parts, don't we? But we had to do this to find out about them parts, so it's not been a worthless exercise. I've also managed to find this morning the arch trim for my other side, for the passenger side, so that's good. That's come in Monday, a few days. So yeah, I need to offer this up and see how it looks. So yeah, I'll come back to you shortly. Okay, so I've had the wing on in a rough position. I took it off before I'd even thought about showing you on camera, and it's looking okay. So the next step's going to be now is to get all this stuff painted, and I've just spent the best part of an hour on eBay trying to find all them little bits and pieces of clips and brackets, and you won't be surprised to hear it's been an absolute nightmare. I will not lie to you. the problem with buying an American vehicle. They're either coming from America, Spain, or Latvia, and there's Australia as well. So I've managed to order everything, pretty much most of the bits, except for the chrome trim that has a bit of damage, them 2 bits of chrome trim on the front. So we're going to have to stick with them for now. I'm really struggling with them. Everything else I've got, but it's going to take some time to get here. So yeah, we're going to have to put this on the back burner for a little bit, and wait for all these bits to come. Some are saying mid-December, you know, so it could be 4 weeks. So at least we'll have all our bumper bits painted by then. But yeah, that's the way it is. Like I said, it's an American vehicle, unfortunately. They're not easy to find parts for. And I was expecting this not, so I should have really pulled it apart a week ago, and that would have speeded up the process a little bit. But it's too late to say that now, isn't it? So that's going to have to be it for this video. But yeah, there's nothing serious going on here, so I'm pretty happy with that. There's nothing serious wrong with it. And yeah, it's going to be a waiting game. But it'll turn out alright, it'll turn out good. I've just ordered this as well from China. Couldn't even get one of them from the UK. And I haven't even checked for that real little bit of trim yet. So that's something else. Oh well. Right. That's going to be the end of this video, guys. Thank you again, as always, for watching. I'm sorry this one's not been the best. But it's something we had to do and get done with, so that I can get the parts and we can move on with this build. So hopefully I'll see you soon again with this car, but there'll be other videos, so I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers.